Oxford and a daughter to the University of Wales. Those employed in high grades of industry were able to purchase their own homes. For many, social mobility was a reality.
Palace and pictures drove twice nightly reels, buildings with grandeur.
The first cinema opened in London in 1907, and by 1911, Llanelli had three, providing the town with a variety of entertainment and access to topical and national events. The year also saw the opening of the new YMCA building and the magnificent General Post Office, Llanelli's first crown building.
Teens in the leaves.
The Scarlets were experiencing a mixed season at Stradey, amidst complaints that too many players were being imported from outside the town. The soccer team, however, were enjoying a good season, and cricket at Stradey was thriving, with professionals engaged for the side.
Steers in brisk, breweries